Good morning, Leo. How are you today, my little star?
Good morning, Miss Lily. I'm happy. Today, I want to show you my room.
Oh, that sounds wonderful, Leo. My room. That's right. Today we'll explore English words for the things you have there. Ready?
Yes, let's go to my room.
Wow, what a cozy place. Let's start with something very important. What's this?
It's my bed.
Perfect. Say it again. My bed.
My bed.
Excellent. A bed is where you sleep. Now, repeat after me. I sleep in my bed.
I sleep in my bed.
Wonderful. Now, what's that soft friend sitting on your bed?
Oh, that's my teddy bear. His name is Mr. Fluffy.
So cute. Say, this is my teddy bear.
This is my teddy bear.
Great. Now, what's on your desk?
My book, my pencil, and my lamp.
Very good. Let's repeat together. Book, pencil, lamp.
Book, pencil, lamp.
Excellent. A book is something you read, a pencil is something you write with, and a lamp gives you light. You're doing great, Leo.
Excuse me, can I say, I read my book on my bed?
Oh, yes, Leo. That's a perfect sentence. I read my book on my bed. Yay! I did it! You sure did. Now, let's find something colorful. What do you have that's blue?
My chair. It's blue.
Perfect. Say, my chair is blue.
My chair is blue.
Great. And remember, chair means the place where you sit. Now tell me, Leo, what's inside your drawer?
Let's see. My socks.
Oh, your socks. Repeat, these are my socks.
These are my socks.
Wonderful. Socks are what you wear on your feet.
Miss Lily, can I say, I wear my socks?
Absolutely. I wear my socks when I play. You're amazing, Leo.
I'm learning, Miss Lily.
You're doing so well. Now look over there. What's hanging on the wall?
My picture. I drew it myself.
That's beautiful. Say, this is my picture.
This is my picture.
Picture means a drawing or photo. You can also say, I like my picture.
I like my picture.
Great job. Now let's review everything. Repeat after me, slowly, Leo. My bed.
My bed.
My teddy bear.
My teddy bear.
My book.
My book.
My pencil.
My pencil.
My lamp.
My lamp.
My chair.
My chair.
My socks.
My socks.
My picture.
My picture.
Bravo! You remembered everything.
Thank you, Miss Lily.
You're welcome, Leo. And now let's make a little rhyme together. Ready?
Yes.
In my room, I sleep and play. I read my book every day. My teddy bear and lamp so bright. Say goodnight, sweet dreams tonight. I love that rhyme. I'm glad you do, Leo. Songs help us remember words better. Now tell our little listeners, what's your favorite thing in your room?
My teddy bear, of course.
Of course. And you, dear listener, what's your favorite thing in your room? Tell us in the comments below.
Yes, tell us.
And remember, kids, every little thing in your room can help you learn new English words. Just look around and say them out loud.
Like this. This is my bed. This is my chair.
Exactly. You're brilliant, Leo.
Thank you, Miss Lily.
And that's it for today's episode, In My Room. Don't forget to listen again to practice your English every day.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, my little stars. Keep shining.